Welcome to this tutorial for Cisco Cybervision. In this tutorial we are going to explain an important security metric for your assets representation in Cybervision, the risk score. Let's start with a quick intro. Cybervision supports you by securing industrial networks. It does that by providing you with the technical capabilities to identify assets communicating in the network, primarily inspecting and analyzing the traffic passively. The results of this analysis are provided to a center and used for further processing. It is the basis of all features and functionalities, like the ability to assign vulnerabilities to assets, as well as the foundation for segmenting your networks, detecting leaks and driving compliancy and governance. With the visibility of which asset is exposed to which cybersecurity vulnerability, you have the responsibility to manage this risk. Cybervision is providing the severity of a security-related exposure per assets in an easy-to-understand and easy-to-relate metric, the risk score. The risk score summarizes the security risk exposure of your assets. It takes into account the likelihood for a risk to be exploited, and the impact that an exploitation would have. Likelihood and impact combined will determine the value of the risk score. It ranges from 0 to a maximum of 100, and the higher the score, the more severe its summarized criticality. Let's check this in a running system. Log into your Cybervision Center. Click on Explore in the main menu. Select a presets. For this demo, we will select the All Data preset. Notice the column for the risk score. It provides you with the pre-computed score per device. Click on the arrow in the column header to sort the values in a descending order. Click on the asset with the highest risk score. The slide out on the right-hand side will provide you with all the details for this asset. In the details, you will also find the risk score. Keep in mind that the risk score ranges from 0 to 100. Click on See Details. The overview page will provide you with a detailed explanation for the risk score of this asset. On the left-hand side you can see a diagram that illustrates the current situation and the achievable minimum for this device. If they deviate, it is a call for action. Opposite of the diagram you can see a detailed documentation as a breakdown on how the score was calculated. It explains the criteria, and why and how much of an impact they have. It ranges from the type of device, the groups this device was potentially assigned to the activities this device has participated into, and the vulnerabilities which were assigned to it. The assigned groups are important. Cybervision allows you to define groups of assets and to determine the industrial impact each group has. This impact is considered in the risk score calculation. You can learn more about this topic in the tutorial video for custom groups. Especially the vulnerabilities are something you can and should address. Click on See Details. The detailed view provides you with more information on the vulnerabilities assigned to the device. In order to see all assigned vulnerabilities, click on Security in the tab Navigation. The list of vulnerabilities provides you the necessary guidance of applying patches to the device. Every applied patch will subsequently help to reduce the risk score. You probably already realized that the risk score is time-related. You can configure the impact that time has on it. Click on Admin in the main menu. Click on Risk Score in the sub-menu. Using the drop-down, you are free to choose a predefined time range, or you can define a custom one. You can also leverage the risk score as a filter when creating presets for your device inventory. Using it this way, it can help you to focus on the devices with the highest risk score assigned. Click on Explore in the main menu. Select the All Data preset. On the left-hand side you can see a filter that can be applied on a new preset to only focus on devices matching a certain range of risk scores. Using CyberVision, you can also create reports. Those reports include the risk score as an important metric as well. Click on Reports in the main menu. If you create a report for the security posture of your devices, the report will contain a section for the risk score. You can leverage the report internal navigation to find the section, and you will find an easy-to-read summary for the risk exposure of all devices included in your report. Thank you for watching this tutorial about understanding and leveraging the risk score provided by CyberVision to improve your network's risk exposure.